Welcome to Dollstar Diecast. Went to Target. These were the only two things that were worth it. There was absolutely no Hot Wheels whatsoever, not even a monster truck. Just wiped out. And then, so it's kind of close to Kelly's toy stop. And I got these three there. Surf rods, Johnny Lightnings from 2000. So let's take a closer look at these first. Okay. I just opened this one the other day. This is the VW. And this one's the Ford Fiesta. So let's open it. Alright, here's the Ford Fiesta. Got the Red Bull Tampo on the side, Cast Royal, Ford. Nice deco on the rear. Rubber tires. There's the front. Pretty cool Red Bull. Yeah, this thing probably flies. Here's his buddy. Couple majorettes there. Now we got this Land Rover Defender 110. Let's open it. Here's the Land Rover Defender 110. Rear, it's got the trailer hitch. Rubber tires. Got this thing in the door. Oh, shoot. Tire on the hood. Hood opens. Nice. It's not opening very good. There we go. Trying to get a good look at the dash. That's the Land Rover. And up next, I'm going to open these from the other day. This Ford GT Boulevard Series, Cole Speed Shop, Vaughn Gittin Jr. Anyway, might have a couple of those. This is from 2020. I think it was a return. Somebody wrote on it. But it was on the pegs, so I grabbed it. Let's open it. Alright, there's the Ford GT. Rear. Nice deco. It's probably $1 million car. Or more. Front deco looks good. Nice tires. Cool. It's the Ford GT Hot Wheel. And I got this 97 Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR. Oh, there's the card art at the car show, cruising the Boulevard. Boulevard series. Here's the cars in this set. I don't have any of these. This is a 2020 release. Cool. Card number 37. Let's open it. There it is. Mercedes. There's the rear deco. Pretty cool. Nice wing. Nice silver paint. Mobile one. Left left-hand drive. Sweet decal on the front. Nice. Rubber slicks. It's the Mercedes. And then I got these at Kelly's. These surf rods. I'm not going to open these. I have a few more that I've got way back in 2000. I think this is probably part of that set, maybe. Yeah, I might have a couple of them. But anyway, here's this one. Surf Daddies. Surfboards on top. Of course, the sick wave on the cover. Card art is awesome. There's the front. Bottom. Pretty sweet. And there's this one. Coastbusters. Same card art, but a different card. Bad News. And then there's this one. Cowabunga Boys. And the Cowbus. Boards hanging out the back. There's the front. There it is. That's all I got for now. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Dollstar Diecast saying we're out for now.